Welcome back to my channel, and now I am need to download driver WorkForce Pro, and click here. You type the driver download, driver download. Please wait and search the official website Epson. This here the official website epson.co.uk, and click here. Please wait the website loading, and this here the Epson. This is the printer, and you click this port. Click here, driver and software. Okay, this is the official website download driver Epson WorkForce Pro, and your select your operating system. Click here. This is the March operating system for the system Android from iOS, Linux, and Mac OS. This here the new driver Mac 12 and Mac 11, and Mac Big Sur and Mac Monterey. And you scroll down. This here the Windows 8, and this here the Windows 11. I am need download this here the driver, and this here the Windows 7, Windows 9, Windows Server, Windows Vista, Windows XP driver. This video I am need download driver Windows 11. Click here, driver Windows 11 WorkForce Epson driver Windows 11 WorkForce Pro. Click here and click button go, and please wait uh, website loading. This here the product setup driver and Epson software update driver. Click here, and this here the Epson software update allow you to update Epson software will ask download part application, and this here the March driver download before the Windows 8, after the Windows 11, and this here you click button download this setup product update. Click here. This here the driver print only and driver scanner only, and it is here the driver universal. I am recommended for you this here the download driver. This here the package driver. This here the patch for user interface. Scan user interface. Your you're easy to scan, and this here the driver print only, and this here the driver scan only, and driver print only. If you need to load driver print only, I am recommended for your here driver, and if you complete your universal driver, you recommended for you this driver. I am need download complete universal print driver, and click button go. Okay, this here driver download. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer cable USB printer for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and you please wait the finish driver download. You click run as the driver. Driver detect automatic for the cable printer. Okay, if you need install for the printer in wireless, your connect the printer for the wireless or WLAN. Your search IP printer, and your please what finish the driver. You run as the driver. You search the IP driver for the IP printer for the driver. Okay. If you need a question, comment below. If you need link download below description. Thank you.